stand. Put me on this thing yet.
So right now we have dasheen bush, we have some thyme and some okra. Now with the coconut milk.
Firm and nice coconut.
So we just took one big fresh coconut and blended it, extracted the coconut milk. Okay, so this is celery,
Garlic.
thyme, fine thyme. Yep. Okay, and here we have some side, a green onion, so bundle, parsley. Okay, one green bell pepper, finely chopped. Now we have some pumpkin, and then some chopped carrots. This is 2 carrots.
This
Fresh pimento.
how much? Let them know it's not hot pepper, it's
And
just
then
tasty pepper. Now we go in with the onion.
Onion.
Yeah, onions. And yeah. Let them know this pot full by you go down. It will go down, it's dasheen bush. It melts. Okay.
And then last we have some 2
Tomatoes.
chopped tomatoes.
A little acid in there.
Okay, I think that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay,
So now we have to put salt, you know,
so
later.
add a little salt now,
Yeah.
and then towards the end we'll taste
And adjust.
and adjust.
Right. That's it.
And then do we cover the pot or no?
Yeah, we'll cover the pot and put it on low fat. So we can add the rest of the water that we have here. Good. And this has to boil down and go down like half the amount.
So we lowering the fire
To
to
very low, so let it take its time and cook.
like
Yeah.
5
Because
or less.
we don't want it to burn underneath. We just want it that good. Yeah. Very low fire.
And just let it cover and steam.
Yes. Yeah. So,
Cover it.
so it would not burn. Everything will go down. When it go down a little more, you will turn the pot. Okay. We could do it like this.
So approximately like what, an hour cooking time?
Yes, like an hour cooking.
Okay, it's 2 o'clock now.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're gonna add some bolognese. Mix it in. Just gonna add some black pepper. Mix that in. At this point, you can taste for salt. Okay, so that we need some more salt. I'm just going to pour in with a little more salt. Just load it, need some more. It was starting to stick at the bottom, so remember to keep checking about every 10-15 minutes and stirring it at the bottom, making sure it doesn't stick. So I see everything's softened, the bhaji is wilted, so everything's just cooking. In about 15 to 20 minutes, we're gonna swizzle it and it should be ready.
That's about half. A small teaspoon.
Yeah.
Just have to go down.
Swizzle it now and we can.
Yeah, just sizzle now. Everything cooked. Just sizzle.